Hi everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Tuesday, June 30th, 2020, last day of the month. We have here one regular medium Sudoku. There's also in this newspaper an additional with 5 extra Sudokus. So total of 6 Sudokus to solve today. But first, with priority, the regular medium Sudoku. And before I start, I want to know how many digits are printed in this Sudoku. So let me count. We have 2, 3 plus 3 is 5, plus 3 is 8, plus 4 is 12, plus 3 is 15, plus 3 is 18, plus 2 is 20, 23, 27. 27 printed digits in this Sudoku. If I compare with the additional, with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, the 1 star start with the 27. So you can say it's a 1 star Sudoku. But the indication is not only the amount of the printed digits. Sometimes I need more time with a Sudoku because in that Sudoku are a lot of pairs, and the difficulty is not only the printed digits. So it could be happen that maybe with 27 printed digits I need to solve the Sudoku more than a half hour. That could be. So less talking, let's get starting. Alright, so we have here a medium Sudoku. Let me scan this whole Sudoku. Which number shall I use? That's the question. I see 4 2s. I see 4 4s. 4 3s. I see. Yeah. Let me start with a let me say with the 2. Yes, let me use the 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 2, here or there. I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 2, here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here or there. I see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Alright. And now, let me see. Okay, let me try with the number 4. 4 in this row, a 4 in the second row, so in the third, sorry, 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, this is the last row, not the third row, the last row, the only place for the 4 should be there. And look, this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there, here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Alright. Second digit. And now. Let me see. Well, I see here 9 in this column, a 9 in that column, so in the middle column, the only place for the 9 should be there. An 8 in the first row, and 8 in the third row, so in the row between, the only place for the 8 should be there. How about the 1 in this row? A 1 in the row above, so in that row, the only place for the 1 should be here. In the first column, we have 3 missing numbers. The numbers are the 1, the 5, and the 9. We see here a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. We already have a 1 there. So 1 place left for the 1 should be there. Then we have 2 numbers left in the first column, the 9 and the 5. Yes, we see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be there, and the 9 goes there. We have a 5 in this row, a 5 in the row above, so in that row, the only 2 places for the 5, here or there, but I see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 2 numbers left in the middle column. Those 2 numbers are the 6 and the 8. We see here an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then, we have a 1 in this row, a 1 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place for the 1 should be here. 3, 7. Let me think. These 3 numbers in the last column. The missing numbers here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. Alright. 6, 8, 9. We see here the 6 and the 9. That means one digit left for this box should be the 8. 6 and the 9 goes there, but we have a 6 in this big square, or there are 6. So this box cannot be a 6. This should be the 6. This should be the 9. So 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We have a 5 here. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 3 in this column. 3 in that column. The last column. So the column between. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 1 number left in this row for the number 8. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 8, here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. In this row, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 8, here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 3. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 3. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 3, here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So in that column, the only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used, I can see. Number 4, alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then, how about these 2 numbers? The missing numbers here are the 7 and the 5. I cannot fill this yet. 7 and the 5. I need 7 and a 5 in the vertical rows, horizontal rows. Wow, rows. 5 and 7, that means 1 digit left, should be the 1. Yes. Then I'm scanning. Here can be a 9. Yes. In this column, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are the 9, the 1, and the 7. I see here 9, so no 9 there. I see there 9, so no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be here. The 1 and the 7 are left. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 1, here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 9 should be here. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 6. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 6 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 7. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 7 goes there. Yes. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 7 again. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 6 goes there. Then how about this missing number in the second column for the number 5? Two missing numbers in this big square for the number 6 and 7. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 7 goes there. One number left in this row for the number 5. One number left in this big square for the number 7. One number left in this row for the number 7. And the final number of this big square for the number 5. Finished in 60 minutes. Oh, wow. A great Sudoku, I think. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, a thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file if you want to solve it or make it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget to subscribe if you like or if you want. And hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Yes, thank you again for watching this video, and I will continue later with the additional in today's newspaper. There are 5 Sudokus left, so maybe we will see you later. Bye bye for now, and stay healthy and keep on puzzling. Bye bye.